back to our little spot, and we'll just I just set up my highbanker. Jade's just going to put the first bucket through, see how it goes. Yeah, I made this ages and ages and ages ago, and we haven't had a real good chance to actually use it. So hopefully we'll see how it goes.
It's already nicer because you're not bending over yet, so it's at a nice height.
Make it a hell of a lot easier on the back.
You can rest the bucket on it too.
And then that just runs down all those different, thanks to Dan's wood. Yeah, all those bits. And they're flying down there. Heaps of different ones. And then comes into basically a boil box in there. And out of there and into just some fine, that rib mat going out. This is the last resort. Just that fine rib stuff. But, yeah. See how it looks and how it shapes up and alter things as we go. But yeah. So we're just going to go back in our holes and clean all this out and see what we come up with. So I just have a submersible pump there. The big one, 3,500 gallons an hour, I think it is. Quite a big one, and then I just got a big deep cycle battery there. Hopefully that won't fall in the drink. Anyway, it should be all good. So yeah, so we'll see how it pans out and goes, and it should be good. Alright, see you soon. Just had a wee clean out of one of my holes and got those couple wee bits. They're not too bad. A bit bigger than standard fly poop. They're not too bad. Yeah, we're just still feeding it. We took the grizzly bar out. It wasn't working quite as good as it should. So we're just running it and see how it runs, but might have to alter that a little bit. Seems to be running. Picks everything up. We've got around there there's a pan, so nothing seems to turn up in it. So I got rid of my big boulder. Got rid of this one from out under there. It was right up in the back side of that. So now I'm just panning out all this stuff now. So there's a nice big hole. That's all bedrock's just here. Just running along this edge here. So I presume it might end up sort of going back, and we're just going to scrape all this out and see what we get. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Anyway, back soon. Not sure if I actually filmed that.
Sorry?
I'll film that again. That's what we end up getting. So we've got a picker there, and a couple of little good bits. Yeah, quite a nice bit, that bit. Anyway, alright, we'll come back after lunch, and yeah, so we're still just digging out that hole, so we're still just going back up into there, and yeah, Jade's doing here, and yeah, we're getting around the bit, so we'll give it another good blast, and not on the hose. Anyway, we'll be back soon. Hey everyone, we're back again. Jade's just feeding the slip. Look. I think we've shifted over. We're pushing against the thing.
Yeah, well, before I could sit it on there.
Yeah, I have to pop that up.
It's not that stable no more.
Yeah, now we're just going to stabilise that. We put the mats back in, and we're just going to continue doing a hole over there, and yeah, I'll come back in a minute once we've stabilised this a bit better. Back in a sec. Jade's just feeding the bucket through. And some nice clay. Feeding it through, cleaning the stuff, getting the pile. Just going through here, so we've cleaned up most of we've exposed quite a bit of that rock, bedrock. So I'm just sort of going up through here, and Jade's gone in through, down under, so right through here. So yeah, so hopefully we can get around this rock and have a look. This looks like it's starting right back in that way, so we'll see what's under that. But yeah, it's going to be reasonably hard to dig now, so just got to keep poking through and hopefully we'll get something. But yeah, that's going pretty good, so yeah. Alrighty, well, we'll be back shortly and see if we can show you some more stuff. Alright, back again. I've just been sucking out the hole up around here, and can anyone see anything in my pan? Oh! Look at that! Nuggy! Plus some... Is it going to focus up? Maybe not. Come on, focus. Too much glare. Come on. Ah, there we go. Yeah, so that little bit, that bit, and they're all got size to them. And then that bit. He's a proper wheat clinker. Actually pick it up and it makes some noise. Cool. Happy days. Alright, suck out some more and we'll be done. Alright, that concludes our day for solution. Highbanking. Yeah, so the pump's been going flat out in there. The battery's been going flat out. It's starting to get a wee bit low now, I think. So it's been going flat out. It's been doing pretty damn well. So I was just asked Jade what he thinks we should do for that one to make it better. We like the angle of this one, and that one's not too bad. I'll put a better grizzly bar with a wider face on it, so it's got more holes basically, a wider apart. And we need to steepen up this one here on the bottom, make it a lot higher. So what I'll do is I'll make that bar there telescopic, I think, which means then I can set this one without altering that one. So yeah, seems to work alright though. Yeah, what do you reckon, Jade? It's alright, eh? Seemed to go okay. Yeah, so we've done our hole, so I'm just going to suck a bit more out of the bottom of this hole, mainly because that's where that nugget come from. So give that a whizzing and yeah, call it a day, I think. Turn the 4-wheel pump off. Hopefully battery will still be alright. I'll find out when I go and charge it up. But yeah, how long has that been going? That'd be a good, what, 6 hours at least? Yeah, it'd be at least that, wouldn't it? Going flat out, basically. Close to 8. Yeah. So it's done pretty well. It's a big deep cycle battery though, so it's 1,000 cranking hours deep cycle battery. So anyway, right, we'll be back soon and show you the effort. Alright, so just panned it out, and yeah, not as much as earlier. Camera's getting a wee bit dark. The camera's not going to focus. Oh, there you go. So not too much there, but we'll do suck that out and then away that. Put that with the rest of it, and yeah, see what we got. All up for the day. I'll weigh it up and yeah, we're back into there. So a fair way, and a fair bit of digging. So yeah, let's see how we go. Alright, we'll catch you when we're back at the camp. Right, so we're back at the camp. Just going to weigh it up. Just tier weight that. This is what we got. Sorry if it's a bit dark, but right, we'll chuck on and see what we get. Jade thinks 3 or 4.
Yeah. I reckon 3.5.
It's a measly 3.5. 1.7, close enough.
Yeah. Still can't complain with that though,
No.
really, at the end of the day,
No,
compared to what we
that's
used
good.
to. We just got spoiled last weekend.
We did.
There's some more stuff in there.
Anyway, so we'll come back soon and catch up with them the next day. Cool.